Hi, I want to introduce to you our two newest products from Environ, the Tri-Retinoid Complex Retinol Serum and the Tri-Retinoid Complex Retinol Serum Forte, which is a step up from the Retinol Serum. You will know our love for vitamin A, and you will know the importance of using vitamin A in your skin for skin health, I am sure by now. If not, then have a consultation with us and we will tell you why you need this ingredient on your skin if you want your skin to be super healthy. So these two serums have been introduced brand new from Environ to replace Retinol Serum 1, 2 and 3. So if you use any of those serums already, then as you finish those, you will be going on to either Retinol Serum or Retinol Serum Forte. If you're on Retinol Serum 1 or 2, I would switch over to the Retinol Serum. Use a couple of bottles of that and then you can progress to the Retinol Serum Forte. If you're already using Retinol 3, then I would progress on to the Retinol Serum Forte. So you can skip this one and see how your skin feels. If you like the retinol serums, you will love these two new serums. The reason being is that they are even better. They have got 3 different types of vitamin A included in the one bottle compared to one. They have got barrier boosters, which means if you, like me, struggle in winter with my retinols and have to scale back, it might be that actually your skin is fine in the winter because the barrier boosters just make it more comfortable to use and you don't get as dry. I think when they did the clinical trials, there were 0 clients that struggled with retinoid responses. And they also have got antioxidants, so there's so much more in this bottle compared to the original version. If you haven't used the retinol serum before, normally we would say that you need to wait until you're on AVST 5 or C-Quence 4 before you introduce these, but because of those added extra ingredients, you now can introduce retinol serum when you are on AVST 3. So if you have got any concerns with deep lines, deep wrinkles, if you've got any pigmentation, if you've got any textural problems with your skin, so any scarring, any congestion, if the skin texture is not smooth, then I would introduce the retinol serum. And if you're unsure, book a consultation. We can talk through the benefits of these or come into the clinic or book a virtual consultation. When you first introduce it, we recommend using 2 drops. So it's in a pump similar to the old one. So rather than a full pump, I would do sort of 2 drops. It's hard to do a drop, but not quite a full pump. Just make sure your skin feels comfortable. Cocktail it with your AVST 3 or your AVST 5 if you're already using and swapping out the other one, and then progress to 1 full pump serum. And I would use it in the evening, cocktailed with your AVST or C-Quence. If you're just introducing it, I would use a couple of bottles, and then when you step up to AVST 4, then I would step up to the Retinol Serum Forte to intensify the amount of vitamin A, the dose of vitamin A that we're giving to the skin. I think that is it in a nutshell. I have also done an Instagram video which I've saved, so if you want to have a look, if you've got any questions, just drop me an email. But yeah, they are the new retinol serums which Dr. Fernandez was over this week to introduce to us, and we've had them in clinic just over a week now, so it's early days. We are loving them so far, but we love feedback, so let us know how you get on with them. And yeah, drop me an email if you've got any questions.